Here's the Harley factory in Missouri. Just want to show you the outside. It's a massive building. Massive building. Now this is the factory that the government help to keep open. This is one that was slated to be closed. But maybe the government will step in and save it. Let's go on inside. What do you say? Here we are at the Harley factory. Here it is. It's one of the bikes. And here's the frames. Here's the gas tanks. That's how they make the gas tanks. And this is the process of the gas tanks. Here we go. Now this factory is slated to be closed. And there's the gas tanks. Alright, here's some bikes that came off the assembly line. Here's that new Fat Bob, like mine, but mine's an older model. Mine's a 14. Here. It's a shame that this is shutting down. Fenders, picture of the fenders and everything. It's really sad that this plant is closing. I wish the government would step in and help save it. It creates a lot of jobs in the Missouri area. Paint process. And here's the gas tanks. There's the gas tanks. And here's a Fat Bob. This is my model. Mine's a 14 model, and this is a Fat Bob in the process of being built. This has got the 103 like Faithful. Absolutely amazing. And here's a Street Glide. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. This is the Kansas City, Missouri plant, Harley-Davidson plant. This is where my 14 Fat Bob was made. And it's soon to be closed down. Thank you now, guys and girls.